Totoo ba na less work, more income sa negosyo? Answer, yes. Totoo po. If business owner ka na may employees sa business mo, opo, yung hindi ka self-employed, but business owner talaga na may mga employees na nagtatrabaho sa negosyo mo. As business owner, monitoring lang po tayo, planning, and management po. Kaya less work, more income. Employees work for you, then more income. Yes. Simply said, may leverage ka because other employees are working for you. You are using people's time, right? Points to ponder, friends. 2 thumbs up.